Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to solve 2017 questions of Purvanchal University, and the program is write a program to reverse a given number. So some given number is there and you have to reverse that number. So it is very simple program. Let me first explain you the basic of these questions, and then after I will write code and explain you line by line. Beforehand, I would like to request you, if you really like my content, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, as well as if you have any doubt related to programming, then please don't hesitate to post your question in comment section. I will pick your question and definitely reply you out. Even you also need code for other question, then please post your question in comment section. I will always there to help you out. Okay guys, so let me first explain you very basic of this question. So like some given number is 3, 5, 6. So what will be like given number? So let's consider this is given number. Okay. Then what will be the reverse of it? So reverse of it will be how much? 6, 5, 3. Right. Yes, you are right. This will be the number. Okay. So you have to do this program where you will get one number. So we will better to take one number as it is mentioned given number. So some given number will be there and you can just reverse that number. Okay. Manually you have not to do. You have to do using the operation. Okay. And then after you can print that both number and your program will be done. So how you can do? So you can first separate last digit and we can assign to other value. Okay, so like if I take 6, okay, so how I can take 6? So first I will separate the digit. Okay, so d equal to what I will do? 3, 5, 6 mod how much I will do? 10. So how much it will return? It will return 6. Okay, so what I will do? At initially r value I will just mention like reverse for r for reverse. So r equal to how much initially? Initially it is 0. R equal to initially 0. Okay, I will consider r equal to 0. Okay guys, so 0. So 0 plus how much? 0 plus 6 is how much? It will give 6. Then what I will do next? Again I will go and make n equal to let me make n. Okay, this is number is okay, just let me consider here n equal to how much? 3, 5, 6. So now what I will do? N equal to I will do n by 10. So 3, 5, 6 by 10. So how much it will return? It will return 35.6. But as we are storing to integer, it will lose decimal value. So it will become 35. And again we will go for next iteration. Okay, so in next iteration 35 by how much we will do? 35 mod 10 we will do and we will get 5. Right. And next step what we will get here? So this way we are doing, right? So here what we will get? Okay, so here how much d value is there? R value initially how much? R equal to r plus t. So r value is 6. 6 plus 5 is 6 into 10 we have to do. We have to do 10. Okay, so 0 into 10 is 0 plus 6 is 6, and 6 into 10 plus how much? 10 plus how much guys? 10 plus d value is 5. So it is 65. Okay, and now the number will be again divided by how much? Divided by 10. So how much? 35 is divided by 10. So it will 3.5, but as we are storing to decimal it will come 3. Okay, so next what we will do? We will do 3 mod. 3 mod how much? 10. So how much it will do in the third iteration? It will return 3. And next line what will be happen here? See, so it will do r into 10 plus d. So r is 65 into 10, okay, and plus how much d is 3, right? D value is 3. So how much it will become? So 650 plus 3, so 653, right? And what will be the n value now? So 3 mod 3 divided by 10, how much it will come? How much? 0.3. okay, so as we are storing to integer, it will become 0. So when while loop becomes 0, it will terminate, and your final r value will be 653. You can see reverse of it. I hope you got it. Let me write code for it. Okay, so int, and it is already mentioned in program that given number. So some given number is like 65821. okay, from this number or 82, this number is given. And what we have to do, this number is given, and what next we have to do? We have to run one loop, and we have to do all those operations. So reverse digit we have to store, and reverse we have to do. So reverse initially 0 you have to declare, okay, and the next is digit reverse. okay, this is done. Up to this you have to do. okay, now I will go and do while I is not equal to 0. Sorry, not I, n, means that number is not equal to 0. If not equal to 0, what you have to do? You have to separate the digits. So d equal to n mod 10, right? And then after, what you have to do? You have to do reverse equal to r into the existing value of r into 10 plus what you have to do? d. okay, and n equal to how much you have to do? N equal to n by 10. So now when it become n becomes 0, it will terminate. okay, and here I also want to store the n value. I want to preserve, so I will make one t and I will store that value. So t equal to how much I will do? I will n, so I can print. okay, so the n value, initial value is at t, and the reverse value is at r. okay, so now I will print the result. Print of the reverse of percentile d is percentile d. So the n value is stored at t and the reverse is at r. So this is done about the programming. Let me run it and show you. So you can see the reverse of 6582 is 2856, right? I hope you got it. Let me also do some changes and show you 105890, and let me run it and show you. okay, so you can see 10 here actually. okay, here we have to do something. okay, here one thing is that you try to fix that 105890 and this 0. Actually this 0 is not coming at it. Why so? You have to find it and try it. okay, so if you do integer, you have to fix it, and how you can fix it, this is your assignment. Please solve it and let me know. I will do, for easiness I will also do it, run it for the next number, and I will show you, so you can try it. okay, see, n equal to how much? N equal to 100, but it reverses 1, it is showing. Why so? Because this is number reverse. okay guys, this is correct. This is number reverse. So 001 means 1. If it is a string reverse, then it will be not considered as the correct. okay, I have also mentioned it a little bit, and if you have any doubt related to this, then please don't hesitate to ask the question in comment section. I will be there to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please don't forget to like the video and post your valuable comment in comment section. And if you really like my content, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with our channel. Happy Lord.